Hi everyone, so welcome to the AWS Lab session. So today is our lab 3. So as usual, we will be creating and launch an EC2, and then we will discuss on what we need to launch an EC2. Okay, so for lab 3, as you can see, the key pair previously we have already created the test BPK, right? So the security group, remember last time we create security group by default, right? So for you to see it more clearly, we can go in here, the EC2, and then you go to security groups, and you can see a launch wizard 1 is created. And then when we scroll down, you'll see the inbound rules is SSH port 22, alright? And then the outbound rule is all traffic, all port range. Okay, so this is basically the pre-created security group. Okay, so if let's say you don't know about this, then normally when you want to test launch, you launch instance, and then this one, okay, and then key pair, simply use one, and then this one you don't know about security group, you will just leave it at this default, then you launch it again. Okay, when you launch it again, the security group will accumulate. You will keep on seeing launch wizard 1, 2, 3, 4, and then each time you launch, it will create another new security group. So to avoid this, we create our own security group. Alright, but we follow just allow the port 22 lah. You can allow all port, no issue one. Right. So just to give you test SG port 22. Right. So allow port 22 on inbound. Right. So VPC, we will use the default VPC. Alright. So inbound rules. Okay. So the add, and then we will choose SSH TCP port 22. Alright. And then we will choose for all the we can access from anywhere lah. This is the source lah. Alright. So basically let's go back to our training. Let me refresh. Okay, so basically this one is port 22. We allow all traffic to use port 22 to SSH into our EC2. Alright, and then the outbound by default, we allow all traffic. So we allow all traffic to exit outbound, right? So let us just create the security group. Okay, so let's go and launch our instance. So this one is our lab 3. Okay, so the rest is the same, and then we use the key pair, we use test VPK we created in our second lab, and then security group we use existing security group, and then if you keep on using the default, you will keep on popping out, and then this one you just use test SG, right? So just launch the instance. Okay, so let us connect using the SSH. Alright, let's create another session. Then we go here. Okay, we go to lab 3. Where's my lab 3? Okay, so this is lab 3. So go in here, type in the address, open, accept. Oh, it's that EC. Sorry, EC2 user. Oh, I think it's still pending. Oh, now running already. Let's try again. Oh yeah, I think I forgot this. Hold on. So let's go 3.0.21.179. Then we go to SSH. Then authentication, we attach the test BPK, open it, ec2-user. Okay, we are in. So we successfully access our EC2 instance using the key pair we have created ourselves and also the security group. So we can see we are using, just now we are using the key pair test BPK over here, and the security group we are using the security group created by us, right? Say allow port 22. Okay, to further dive in a bit on the security group, all right, this testing, then we can go to security group. Okay, so let's say you want to enhance your security group, right? So the inbound room, okay, you say I don't want that all the traffic to access my SSH. Alright, so you can edit the inbound rules, and then the source, you can select my IP only. Alright, so this is your IP lah, /32 is only one IP. Alright, so let's save the rules. Okay, so let us try and access. Okay, this one is sorry, I didn't copy the details. Okay, 3.0.21. Okay, we can still access it because this is our own IP. Okay, let's say we change it to let's change it to something different. Maybe just now our IP is what? 250. Let's change it to 251. And let's see whether we are denied on accessing this, right? Sorry. Okay, you see we are not able to access because we are not allowed in the security group. Okay, here we put a different IP address, only allow different IP address to assault the port 22, so we are being denied. So this firewall actually works, so it just block the traffic from the source, which is other than what we specify over here, right? So we specify 251, right? So only this IP can access this EC2. Alright, so congrats, you actually know how to launch an EC2 using all the using the default method, which is you create your own key pair, right? Test BPK, and you also create your own security group, which is test, right? So this won't mess up your inventory, and then you can actually do it in our future lessons, which I won't go through this again in our future lesson on how to create an EC2. You can refer back this anytime you want. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.